Welcome to Peaceful Power. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of mindfulness meditation and its incredible benefits. This video will help you understand how mindfulness can transform your life. I bet you didn't know how powerful mindfulness can be. Mindfulness is about paying attention. Pay attention to the present moment. Notice your thoughts. Notice your feelings. Notice your body. Do this without judgment. Mindfulness is a simple practice, but it can be challenging. It takes time and patience. You can practice mindfulness anywhere. You can practice mindfulness anytime. Mindfulness helps you become aware. You become aware of your thoughts. You become aware of your feelings. You become aware of your body. This awareness can help you. It can help you manage stress. It can help you reduce anxiety. It can help you improve your focus. I don't think people understand the true essence of mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation is a formal practice that has been around for centuries. It is rooted in ancient traditions and has been adapted in modern times to help people cope with the stresses of daily life. It involves sitting or lying down in a comfortable position, allowing your body to relax and your mind to settle. You focus on your breath, taking slow, deep breaths in and out, feeling the air fill your lungs and then release. You notice your thoughts without judgment, simply observing them as they arise and pass away, like clouds drifting across the sky. You observe them come and go, understanding that thoughts are temporary and do not define you. Mindfulness meditation helps you train your mind to stay focused and calm, even in the midst of chaos. You learn to pay attention to the present moment, fully engaging with whatever you are doing. You learn to be present, appreciating the beauty and simplicity of each moment. This practice has many benefits. It can reduce stress, improve focus, and increase self-awareness. It can also enhance emotional regulation and promote a sense of inner peace. There are many types of mindfulness meditation, each with its own unique approach and focus. Some focus on the breath, using it as an anchor to stay grounded in the present. Some focus on body sensations, tuning into the physical experiences within the body. Others focus on sounds, listening to the natural environment or specific tones. Find a type that works for you. Start with short sessions, even just a few minutes a day. Gradually increase the duration as you progress, allowing your practice to deepen and your mindfulness to grow stronger over time. Step-by-step guide to mindfulness meditation. What I wish I knew at the beginning of my mindfulness journey, instead of struggling through trial and error. First, find a quiet space. Choose a place where you won't be disturbed. This could be a dedicated meditation room, a quiet corner in your home, or even a peaceful spot in nature. The key is to find a place where you feel safe and comfortable. Next, sit or lie down. Find a comfortable position and keep your back straight. This helps maintain alertness and allows for better breathing. You can sit on a chair, a cushion, or directly on the floor. If lying down, ensure your spine is aligned. You may choose to close your eyes. Closing your eyes can help minimize distractions and allow you to focus inward. If you prefer, you can keep your eyes open with a soft gaze, looking slightly downward. Now focus on your breath. Pay attention to the sensation of each inhale and exhale. Notice how the air feels as it enters and leaves your nostrils, or how your chest and abdomen rise and fall with each breath. Notice your thoughts. Observe your thoughts without judgment. Let them come and go like clouds passing in the sky. Acknowledge them, but don't get attached or carried away by them. Gently redirect your attention. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. It's natural for the mind to wander, so don't be hard on yourself. Simply notice the distraction and return your focus to your breathing. Be patient with yourself. It takes time and practice to cultivate mindfulness. Each session is an opportunity to learn and grow. Remember, the goal is not to achieve a perfect state of calm, but to develop awareness and presence. Start with short sessions. Gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. You might begin with just 5 minutes a day and slowly work your way up to longer periods. Consistency is more important than duration. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below. Your support means a lot to me, and I love hearing from you. See you in the next video.